QSI Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end. Find out. This is for tomorrow. So what's the question here? The answer, I mean, on that question for me specifically is looking that I'm very open to this idea of longing. This is going to be a little modification that I'm going to do, but I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course. The mentorships, as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of great predictions. Now, QSI, this is where it is. Now we have this stuff here, this thing here. And if I see a double break, then and only then this is going to be a market that I'm going to then be willing to long, because now it came down and this is the high that's holding this thing down. So that's how QSI looks like for me specifically. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing else to say here other than just it's a waiting game. I'm not in a rush, so I will wait. Curious to see if I have anything here. Not really, but yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.